everyone and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I want to just create, because I don't know how other creative girlies do this, but my head is constantly so full of things that I want to create. When I start creating, sometimes I forget to finish it and it's just a project that I engage in for the time being. In this video I want to focus more on the creating part and less on the result part. I just want to create and I have so many fun projects in mind. I also am creating a collage tarot set. I wanted to put that in this video, but then I was like, no, I need to create a whole different video about this. So yeah, but for now I am going to watch some YouTube right here and sketch a bit. Some of my latest sketches. I've really been sketching a lot lately and I've really been loving doing it with my fine liner tips. And I think I already showed this one, but I really like just eyeballing buildings, like the more unique buildings, and then just not sketching it out and just drawing the lines. And some are so wacky and some more accurate, but that I think makes it look so playful. And here are some little sketches for my stop motion. Some more. I don't really like this page, but I know like a sketchbook is for experimenting, you know. This is me trying to do some blind portraits without looking at the paper. I think it's a great exercise, but well, this is my latest sketch. Drew this one this morning. No, through this one yesterday evening, as well as this. And then this is something from the workshop week that I had last week at school, and it's also the last page. So I had still some modeling clay laying around here. I have some plans for this. Something that I want to make, something whimsical, and we'll just see where it takes us. It's air dry clay, so it has to lay for a while after I do the shaping and stuff. But we're gonna watch some YouTube and do some clay modeling, sculpturing. So for my clay experiment, I really had no idea except that I wanted to make these beads that I could use for necklaces. And I'm talking about whimsical beads, you know, these very adorable ones, the bigger beads that just hang from a thread. I had no materials to actually sculpt with, so I was using a little kitchen knife and a match, and that was it. So if you don't have the supplies, that's no excuse, because it worked fine. I had the star, the flower, the heart, and then these random shapes, and I didn't coat them with paint and like sort of jelly top coat. I actually want to do this with nail polish. Don't judge me, but I still didn't do that since I had no brushes back at my parental house. Like, am I for real? But anyway, we did the sculpting and I'm proud of that. I also am sketching a lot lately. I saw this girl on Instagram who was working with her oil pastels, and I was like, I want to work with my oil pastels, and I wanted to make something very playful, nothing too serious, so that's what you see me doing right here. I just wanted to draw a fish because fish. And actually came to the conclusion that working with oil pastels and coloring in fish is actually very fun to do because they are so colorful. So in the future I will be doing way more fish with oil pastels. And I really tried to just make something and didn't put pressure on myself for creating something beautiful. I just wanted to have fun making it. I have gathered these shells. I have this whole cup full of them. And I wanted to make a cord, a chain, to hang from my window, like from one of the sides. And then I also have already bought some beads. But the thing is, I need to make holes into these shells. And the easiest way would probably be a drill, but I don't have a drill that small. And maybe if this way fails, then I'm sure that there is a way to find someone that has a drill like that. But I want to try a way that I saw on YouTube, which was a girl heating up the shells and then poking them with a needle. The only thing was she had something to grab them with because it can get hot, and I don't, but it will be fine. Okay, some time did pass, but I only got 5 shells so far that I cut a hole in them. But I need more to fill up this whole cord. But I'm already loving it so much. You cannot see it properly, but I will make sure that I have a shot from it in daylight. But I mean, oh, it's stunning. And then imagine it hanging like down from here, more like here. But I don't know if you can still see. Oh, you can. Okay, my original plan. No, don't get caught. So hang it from here down all the way. Okay. So this part of the video I filmed a long time ago. It was in the beginning of January and I wanted to make vision boards, and I got my boyfriend to do this with me, which was so fun. And we made them in his room, and his room is literally too cozy. It was just the perfect vibe. We had music on and we had cozy stuff, the candles, you know. It was so fun. And it also gave us insight in what our goals were for the upcoming year. So I think it was a fun experience. And we made the actual collage the next morning because it took way longer to cut out all of the images. And we just made a cool collage, and that's it. A cute vision board for this year. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I love to hear what your crafts are at the moment.